Hey, I'm here with Christina Bauer, one of our amazing agents at the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Just a couple questions, Christina. So, how do you enjoy the vibe here at the office on the team?
It's the only office I've come to, and it's the best family team that I can say that I enjoy.
I love that enjoy being here. You always seem to come in and have a good time here, and so. But I know you're a very hard worker and you take good care of your clients. So
Yes, I can say that I've always been hardworking and always honest. That's the biggest thing, and that's what the team always strives to do, is be honest and truthful of everything, and ethics.
Ethics for sure, and we definitely have each other's back. So
100%.
with that, what do you think, you've encountered other teams and other agents, what do you think makes our team different? What separates us?
Family, and the brand we have behind us, the admin that we have. If I have a problem with something, our team catches it. They are on top of their stuff. Just they're on top of it. That's all I can say.
You said family a couple of times.
Yes.
Can you expound on that?
Whenever I have an issue, if I'm not available, I have the ability to say, hey, something came up. Somebody on my team takes care of it. And you stick together as family. So we are all in it together. And I don't see you getting it from somewhere else.
No, and as we've said many times, your family comes first. And then our clients come second. And then we worry about the team and the brokerage. But if you don't have a happy family life, if there's things that are going your way, we need to take care of some business for you. You can't operate and take care of your clients if you're not in a whole position.
Exactly, that's the best part about being on a team. And all of us have had family issues. I still have young ones, but if I can't make it, one of my team members does take care of it, which is amazing.
Well, we've been extremely impressed with how much all of your clients are satisfied. They rave about what great job you do taking care of them, and you really do a great job. So this is Christina Bauer, one of our amazing team members at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Star Home Team. Give her a call. How can they reach you?
My number is 847-737-4365, and look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye.
Someone you can trust with your business.